Okay, thank you very much. It is Wednesday, time to go on the docket with our lawyer friend here, John Patrick Dolan. We got a lot to talk about.
Indeed.
First, there isn't a case pending quite yet. It just started, but let's begin with the manhunt back east for David Sweat and Richard Matt. We know the female worker, the tailor, she's in deep trouble. They're going to have a case against her, obviously, because she was helping out. Now there is a security guard, one of the guards there, prison guards, who says he didn't know anything, but it looks like maybe he did. What are you hearing about these pending cases for these two?
Well, he passed a polygraph about the hacksaw and the meat, so maybe he's okay on that one. She is still sort of in a holding pattern. They've already charged her, but if these guys commit any violence before they're taken into custody, she's probably on the hook for that, and the noose is tightening on them. They've found some clothing and some DNA remnants that are very close to a local hunting cabin, and so I think they're probably going to get caught in the next couple of days, and hopefully there's no serious violence on the part of anyone, law enforcement or them, because frankly this case is just about over.
Okay, yeah, I hope they do catch him. I know yesterday her husband spoke out and said that there was no sexual relationship with her and David Sweat. This was all purely threats. They were going to get out and kill the husband, so that's why she did it. This sounds like a bad Lifetime movie.
Really bad.
To me. I hope they catch him and they do no damage.
Maybe a mini-series.
Maybe a mini-series, yeah, depending on how long the search lasts. Okay, let's move on to the Supreme Court. We know they were going to release some findings on 11 cases, 2 of them very, very significant, but they postponed it. That was going to come yesterday. Now they said maybe Thursday, tomorrow. The first one, same-sex marriage, saying that every state must recognize same-sex marriage in every other state.
Cannot deny equal protection to their citizens. So yes, that
this is going to happen.
It is going to happen. It's happened in many states already. That one, the Obamacare case, about 9 others that are not quite as notorious. But all this has to happen before next Tuesday because they go out of session at the end of June and they don't come back till the first Tuesday in October. So we're going to get an avalanche of cases here in the next couple of days.
And real quick, Orange County, just close to us here, a clerk was ripping people off.
1,000 people paid under the table a clerk who offered that he could make their case go away. Mostly Hispanic speakers, people were worried about coming to court. Well, it was uncovered, and now, of course, it's a mess. They're bringing people in hordes, basically re-establishing their cases. They're bringing in the lawyers whose names were falsely put on plea agreements to ask them, did you ever see this person? Do you know this person? And frankly, it's a big mess, although it's being straightened out. It is a very sad circumstance, and someone that was preying on people who really were mostly Spanish speakers, probably some
Nobody
illegal.
affected from our valley that we know of.
As far as we know.
Okay, all right. John, we're out of time. If you need to get a hold of him, put the information on the screen. There it is. And John, we know the law school is going pretty well here for our local lawyers.
11 of our students went down and took the baby bar yesterday. Congratulations to them. Keep our fingers crossed they're all going to pass by August 15th.
All right, John, thanks. We'll see you next Wednesday. We're back in 2. Stay with us.
Indeed.